What type of water supply pipes are in the home you're planning on buying? Are there galvanized, polybutylene, or lead pipes? Galvanized steel pipes, which are coated with a layer of zinc to protect against corrosion, were commonly used for water supply piping in homes built before the 1960s. However, these pipes tend to corrode over time, particularly at joints and connections, which can lead to reduced water flow and possible health concerns due to the release of contaminants into the water supply. Polybutylene pipes, which were used in homes built between the 1970s and 1990s, have also been found to be problematic. These pipes are prone to degradation due to a variety of factors, including exposure to sunlight and certain chemicals. Polybutylene water pipes take about 10 to 15 years to deteriorate. Because they deteriorate from the inside out, it's difficult to assess the damage. Eventually leaking begins, and if not corrected promptly, can quickly escalate and cause extensive water damage. Lead pipes, which were used in the past due to their durability and resistance to corrosion, are now known to be harmful to human health. Lead can leach into the water supply from lead pipes and cause serious health problems, particularly for young children and pregnant women. Lead pipes were banned in California in the 1980s. CPVC-type piping is most common in manufactured homes. CPVC pipes are PVC pipes with additional chlorination reinforcements. This means they retain all the positive aspects of normal PVC piping but can also withstand hot water. Additionally, they are more flexible than PVC pipes, have thinner walls, and are the same diameter as copper pipes, giving them even greater utility. Common PVC-type pipe is typically not approved for use as potable water supply pipes. Copper pipes have been for a number of years the preferred choice for domestic water supply piping due to their durability, corrosion resistance, and overall safety. Copper pipes have a long lifespan and are not known to release any contaminants into the water supply, making them a safe and reliable choice for home plumbing systems. A new and popular method of supply piping is PX piping. PX maneuvers through walls and corners much easier than PVC or copper without multiple fixings or soldering. The tubing can go on longer runs with fewer turns and joints, reducing installation times. Plumbers love it. Also, it's much quieter than copper pipes during temperature changes. However, issues have been documented with some of the copper and plastic fittings used for the joints, leading to leaks and the possibilities of water damage. Make sure that the house you are buying does not come with any plumbing surprises. For the best home inspection, CLARO Home Inspections. Call or text and schedule today at 626-253-0436. In the greater Los Angeles, San Bernardino, and Orange counties. Or visit www.clarohomeinspections.com.